Good evening, Professor. It's Hilario. The topic that I decided to talk a little bit more is how amazing it's been so far joining your course and learning a little bit more thoroughly on computers, especially on Microsoft. I thought I knew everything on Microsoft, but as a matter of fact, I just didn't know that the back ends and the little hints that's provided more greatly on Microsoft Word. I am very interested in learning a little bit more on Excel as well as PowerPoint because I am a non-degree seeking student, so I decided to take this course because I'm very interested on mastering my Excel skills based on the job that I'm trying to basically apply for. So currently I'm a credit analyst and I'm trying to move up a little bit more in the company that I'm working for and see if I can jump into a financial analyst. And as an analyst, we need to have broaden or strengthen our Microsoft skills. So I hopefully that this course can definitely help me and learn a little bit more on Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much once again, Professor, for this opportunity, especially learning about computers, and I hope to excel a little bit more. There's a pun right there, to excel in this course as well. Bye bye.